Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel coderslobby. Today we are going to discuss how to hide or unhide Excel worksheet in workbook. So let's get started without wasting any time. We have two ways to hide the sheet and unhide the sheet. Either we can set the visual property to false or we can set the visual property to Excel hidden. This is for the hiding purpose. And for unhide, we can set the visual property true or we can set the visual property to Excel sheet visible. Let's move to the Visual Basics editor and see the practical implementation. Now we are in the Visual Basics editor. So let's see how to hide the sheets. We'll use worksheet object worksheets and pass the worksheet name which we want to hide. Let's suppose I want to hide sheet 2 and we'll set the visual property dot visible false. So before running the code, I'm showing you there are the 5 sheets, sheet 1 2 3 4 5, and I'm just running the code. Let's see what's the result. Okay, the code is run and you can see this sheet 2 is no longer exist in this tab. So we can see by right click on this, we can click on unhide and you can see there is a hide sheet under the unhide sheet list. So I'm not unhiding it. So this was the one way to hide the sheet. Let's see the another way how we can hide the sheet. So for that I'm just copying this line and pasting it below and commenting out this line and setting the visual property to Excel sheet hidden. I'm just running we have sheet 2 previously hidden, so I'm just changing it with sheet 3 and let's run the code and see the result. Now you can see there is no longer exist sheet 3 in this tab. Okay, we saw that how to hide the sheet. Now we will learn how to unhide the sheet. For that, what we have to do, we'll just do the same as we have done in the hide sheets. We'll use the worksheet object worksheets and pass the argument in string as sheet 2. Because we have sheet 2 as hidden, we'll set the visible property is equal to true. Let's run the code and see the result. We have ran the code. Now let's move to the Excel and see the result. You can see the sheet is visible for us. Now we'll right click on it and see another sheet which is hide in unhide sheet list. Thanks for watching the video. I hope the video is useful for you. Please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any update whenever we post the video to our channel. Till the time, bye bye.